Do you want to enhance your knowledge and skill in career counseling or psychosocial counseling? Then this video is for you because CBSE is going to conduct online capacity building program for all the counselor and teachers to enhance their knowledge and skill in both career counseling as well as psychosocial counseling. Hello there, lovely people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari, where we bring you with all the latest happening in the education world. Today, we have some exciting news for all the teachers out there. The CBSE is organizing a series of online capacity building program for counselors and teachers. This program aligns with the objective of National Education Policy 2020, emphasizing the importance of comprehensive counseling in the education system. The program aims to enhance the knowledge and skill of counselor and teacher in both career counseling and psychosocial counseling. By participating, educator will be empowered to help students explore career options, set achievable goal and plan for the future success. CBSE encourage all counselor and teacher to participate and take advantage of this excellent opportunity to further develop their professional capabilities in accordance with the NEP 2020 guideline. Schedule of this online session. The CBP will be conducted in online mode. Each session duration will be of 2 hours. First session will be conducted on 25th June 2024. The topic of the session will be career assessment in counseling. The source person will be Mr. Rahul Ishwar, public policy commentator, author, TEDx speaker, research fellow in the use of psychometric in career counseling. Registration link for this capacity building program will be given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Next capacity building program will be on 26 June 2024. Topic for that program will be importance of psychometric assessment by a school counselor. The source person will be Mr. Rahul J. Nair, representative of India and board member in APCDA, Asia Pacific Career Development Association. Registration link for this capacity building program will also be given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Remember, for all three capacity building program, we have three different registration link. You need to register for all the three separately. Then last capacity building program will be on 27 June 2024. Topic of the program will be identifying talent and goal setting at young age. Resource person Mr. Ajitesh Sharma, postgraduate from ISB and ex-aerospace scientist at ISRO. Registration link for this also will be given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. So totally 3 registration link for 3 different online capacity building program is given in description as well as in the comment section for you. Now please note following points. Live session link will be available on the registration page 10 minutes prior to start of the session. Second, participant consisting of principal, counselor and teachers may interact with mentor, resource person and ask question. The participants are required to attend the complete session. Certificate of participation will be awarded only after attending the complete session and filling up the assessment and feedback form, which will be activated post conclusion of the online session. The link of assessment and feedback form is available on the registration page. Assessment and feedback form must be filled on the same day. If you are filling on some other day, it will not accept. All the principal head of a school affiliated to CBSE are requested to disseminate the information among their teachers regarding this training program and encourage their participation in the training program. So, what are you waiting for? Mark your calendar, spread the word to your teacher friends and get ready for this 3 day of learning, growth and inspiration. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting updates. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now.